Hello there, YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you lots of air conditioners part 3. So YouTubers, there will be lots of air conditioners, so let's begin. Excuse me. Here's a AEG high efficiency air conditioner. One of the blades are kind of really bad. This one is not too bad. Inside are leaves and twigs and dust. The sign is there. And at the back is AEG high efficiency confirm maker. So this one, Malbank, it has this little square thing to hold it. So there's that one. So YouTubers, the air conditioners will start changing because we are across from our house. Fun. Here's a Mana air conditioner, some leaves and twigs and dust in there. But the inside is bad, but the cover and the blades are good. This is a very good one. Had that square thing for the Malbank. So there's a Mana air conditioner. So that one is in good condition. I think I missed one because that one is covered like in the part 2, because remember that, YouTubers? Okay, this is a really the parts will start getting muddy because this is a really muddy place. Here's a really bad one. This one with the sticker getting ripped. But the blades are kind of clean, but this one is like dirty, like maybe kind of like at the first one I forgot for maker sign, but some fog probably covering it. There's the cover. There's the warning sign. This is a really bad one. Leaves and dust and twigs. Okay, YouTubers. The air conditioners are starting to change. AEG high efficiency. Here, this is a really bad one comparing it to the very first one. So the sticker is starting to rip. Well, the warning signs are still there. This is probably the first one without a square Malbank. The blades are so dirty. This is a really bad one with dust and twigs and leaves. Whoa, it's so steep here, YouTubers. Here's a another AEG high efficiency air conditioners. YouTubers, compare this to the other air conditioners I reviewed, like in the really first one. There's some leaves there. AEG high efficiency, kind of ripping. This one is a really bad one because there's lots of leaves and twigs and dust. Well, this one is kind of a little bit in great condition. It has the warning sign, so there's that one. The ones that have covers on them, YouTubers, I'm not gonna show. YouTubers, because like I kind of did a mess up on part 2. Like on the tall, and remember there's one air conditioner I could not show. This is a unknown air conditioner. A lot of leaves and twigs and dust. One of the blades have dust on them. I mean, twice of them. Two of them have dust on them. But the other blade does not have dust, but just a teeny bit. This one's starting to have the square again with the wire. I just forgot to say that. can see the air conditioners are starting to change. Oh dear. Let's get on the... The reason why I'm walking like sideways like this is just because there's mud. See, I hope I didn't get any. I think I showed that one already. Okay. Here's the Confirmaker air conditioner. AG high efficiency. The sticker kind of ripped. The square again. You see how these are different models? Because you can compare how the squares are. The blades are so dirty. This is a really bad one. And it has a leaf on there. So let's throw that in. Because until the AG high efficiency worker cleans it. And inside there's lots of dust, twigs, and leaves and dust. So this one is not a really good one. Okay. Here's the Carrier air conditioner. This one kind of has like a little bit of a tree branch or something. One of the blades are cutting, having dust. Actually, two of them. Actually, three of the blades, actually. This is the very first one, air conditioner that has this 1-800-986-0070, the phone number for cleaning. This no malbang like how the other air conditioners. And there's like a thing there. Wait, did not miss any. This is probably the really last air conditioner. This is probably a AG high efficiency. Oh man, I can see wires in the leaf. See? Throw that there. AG high efficiency. The sticker's not ripping, but some of this is ripping. And the blades are dirty. No bang, no square at all. So see, this is the very first air conditioner with wires and leaves, twigs, and dust. Well, that's the last one, YouTubers. But I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, YouTubers, I think the warning sign I forgot to show you. Let's have a look. Let's try stepping on the leaf. Yes, it's there. But I hope you enjoyed the video of lots of air conditioners. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike. And of course, you still know it. Peace out.